Bring on my ninjas. This is Maya, and today is all about target practice. Pachoo, 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 pachoo. I'm going to show you a super fun way to use target training to get really good with your kicks. Cue the intro. Before we start kicking it, please make sure you subscribe and press that bell and share this content with everyone. I'm all about spreading fitness, joy, fun, happiness, making fitness and movement fun and leveled up and high energy. So let's do this. Okay, you guys, I'm talking about the side kick-throughs and the front kick-throughs of Animal Flow. And I love it that you guys are practicing. It makes me so super happy. And now it's time to refine our skills a bit. Because when you can make it really precise and when you can hit it straight on and straight up, you're gonna get more results because you're gonna be hovercrafting that leg, you're gonna be making that quad pop, and making the abs burn even more than if you weren't doing it straight on, straight up. I'm all warmed up, I'm all activated. I'm gonna show you how I hit to the right and to the left my side kick-throughs. And this is what I expect from my clients, okay? So, set beast. So as you can see, when I have that target there, I've got a goal now, and I'm gonna be hovering my leg right there. So often I see people kicking like this, you're still gonna get fantastic results. However, when you start doing it like this, and when you start pointing that toe and like, giving me that extra millimeter of extension, you're gonna be creating more engagement through the anterior oblique sling, through the quads, through the lower abs. Return to beast and right leg side kick through. So, exaggerate the movement each time returning to beast. Practice that. You don't need to have cool little cones like me. You could put socks there, soup cans, anything you like. And this is a really fun way to get your kids involved too, because they'll be like, damn, get that front kick through. Okay. I gotta set my targets back a little bit more because, I'm gonna be taking out the W. Ninja. So when I do the front kick throughs, I'm gonna low right beast and I'm gonna explode and hit true north. So right up and hizzle. So, be careful what you use because it might come flying back at you. So, even for me, as an instructor, I still like using the targets to keep refining my skills, getting better, getting stronger. And now, if the front kick-throughs are too hard, you can do this with the front step-through as well. Whew! This is cardio, yo. Load the beast, front step through. Point that toe. And return. Front step through. So how I would practice is I would go to the right, to the left with the side kick-throughs, pop it back, and then go two with the fronts, and really just play around with it. See if you can practice for 1 minute, even 30 seconds. Take a break whenever you need to, and try again. There's no rules, okay guys? So many of us are caught up in like, how many reps? How many sets should I do? This is meant to be fun and playful because when we're having fun and when we're enjoying the process, you're gonna wanna keep on practicing and then you're gonna get better and better at it. Holla, this is pretty good. So, I'm gonna show you a sequence. Right, left, front, front, right, left, front, front. Let's see it from the other side. Okay, yo, take a break. This is what I'm talking about. So, if you don't know what I'm talking, guys, I have made previous tutorials on each one of these movements, so make sure you check out Animal Flow for Beginners Part 3, where we break down every single kick, the sides, the front. And you can add these kicks anywhere in your workout. I love to do it in a cardio core day and use it for my conditioning, because what the hell? Oh, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you again from this side. Try it. So, these targets are directly east, west, north of me, okay? That's why I love saying true north. Hit it to the east, hit it to the west. East coast, west coast. Okay. Dance breaks are always necessary. Set, piece. Left leg side kick through. Right leg side kick through. Left leg front kick through. Right leg front kick through. Mix it out with a couple of step throughs. Woo! Finish off with a couple of kicks. Woo! Hot damn. Yo. So I would set a timer if you wanted to use it as a conditioning workout and a play day. I would set a timer for 1 minute, see how many targets you can hit, and just go for it. Yo. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you comment. I absolutely love hearing from you, and I love hearing what you want to see as well. So to give me your suggestions, come back every Tuesday and every Friday. We be kicking it. And make sure to follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram every day and Facebook. Everything is under Move with Maya. And I'll see you next time.